Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. A lot of you all requested the cucumber chutney for doubles. Sometimes you can use regular plain grated cucumbers. Sometimes I like to make a chutney out of it. So it's going to be really easy and there's no cooking involved. To make this, I already grated my seedless cucumber and I'm adding salt. The salt is going to help draw out the extra liquid that the cucumber has, because as it sits, it's going to get really soggy and you don't want that. So you want to try and squeeze out as much. So we're going to transfer it to a strainer that's over a bowl, and as it sits, it's going to drip into the bowl. But what you'd want to do is help it by pressing down on the cucumber, and you'll see how so much more liquid is going to come out when you do this step. So I always like doing this. So once you've pressed down on it really well and the majority of the water has come out, you would discard that water and then empty the cucumber into a bowl. I'm using the same bowl that I had the drained liquid in. No sense dirtying another bowl, right? So to this now, remember we already added salt. We're going to add some grounded pepper. And we're going to add in some green seasoning and give that a mix. And that's it. That's all you have to do and your cucumber chutney is ready. Once it's been mixed in properly, go ahead and put it into a serving bowl and then it's ready to be used. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. If you try it, comment down below and let me know what you think. Thank you all so much for joining me today. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.